This is code.org. Let's see what we have here. Do this. The app to the left is a completed version of the one that you will develop. Play around with the app to see how it works. Try entering different values to see how that changes the output on the screen. All right, let's give this a shot. I'm going to hit run. Maybe I should zoom out here. No one mourns the wicked. Well, I can't see that, but I know that is from, well, Wicked. Okay, now let's change some values. I'm going to do a 2 here and hit insert. Well, I don't know if that did anything. Okay, let's hit over. Sure, and now I'm going to do a 5 here. Insert. Okay, so these numbers do not appear to be working, but that's fine. And hard fought hallelujah, sure. 4. Insert. To that one, no, because we're missing. Okay, what if I add to favorites? These do anything? Okay, so we have some oddities here, but we have some functionality. What's the purpose of the app? Obviously, it seems like it's to generate some type of playlist. You should be able to favorite songs, but I'm not sure if that's fully functioning at this point. And describe the functionality of the app. You can go through a list of songs. I assume this is like Billboard Top 100. I'm not really sure. And then you can add them to your playlist. You also have the ability to favorite them. How do these design decisions fit the purpose? It's fairly intuitive, right? We can see what's going on here. We know that we can add here. It's simplistic, and it also, in terms of design, has images related to music, which is nice. It's really boring, though. Just saying. All right. What are some of the inputs and outputs? So inputs, guys, are anything we are providing to the phone or the application. So a button click is technically an input. The number 4 here, when I select this and hit insert, that's being provided somewhere. So that would be an input. The favorite button, that's also going to be an input. And so are these next buttons. The outputs, right, are going to be, well, the list up here. The emojis would be an output. Somehow the computer is outputting those. And when it adds it to this list. So that's a quick tour of what we're building. Let's get started.